Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the reset journey. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for tuning into this video. So today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen and I will be preparing dinner with you. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy watching this video as I chit chat with you about a particular topic. For dinner today, guys, I'm gonna prepare curry chicken, dumpling, yellow yam, and plantain. Just stay tuned and continue watching this video as I prepare dinner. All right, guys, so while I'm cooking today, I want to talk to you about this topic because it is something that I deal with on a daily basis due to my occupation. I just want to let you know that what I will be talking to you today about is autism or ASD, and it is something that is really important. Now, I'm not an expert, right? But I believe in learning and understanding and having a real conversation about this topic. Autism or autism spectrum disorder, it's not a disease. I just want to put that out there because some persons may get confused and think it's a disease, but it's not a disease. What it is, it's a spectrum, it's a disorder. And persons who are diagnosed with ASD are unique people. You know why? Because they see the world, they experience the world differently. It is called a spectrum because each person is unique in their own way. No two persons or no two people are the same. Some individuals may have challenges with communication, speech delay, which is more prevalent in kids who are autistic. Doesn't mean that they will not talk, but they may start talking at a later date. So some individuals may have challenges with communication. Others might experience the world more intensely. They may have issues with sounds. They may have issues with lights and textures. Things that many of us don't even think twice about, right? And at the same time, many people with autism have incredible strengths. They have deep focus, they are very creative, honesty, and their unique ways of thinking. So some persons with autistic, they are so creative, they are brilliant. So as I'm cooking here, it makes me think about how important routine can be. For some people with autism, structure and predictability can bring comfort. They love structure, they love routine, they follow routine on a daily basis, right? Even something as simple as a familiar meal cooked the same way can feel safe and reassuring, because I've worked with children on the spectrum and they will eat the same thing every day. That's their routine. They will drink the same thing every day and you can't give them anything different from what they are used to. That's them. That's their routine. That's their structure. And I think that is something we can all learn from. Creating environments where people feel understood, supported, and accepted just as they are. Guys, I may become very passionate. I do get very passionate when I'm talking about this topic because it is very close to me. As I said to you, this is something that I deal with on a daily basis because of my occupation. And these children that I work with, they are so sweet. They can be so sweet. Yes, you do have persons on the spectrum who become very aggressive at times, but that is why persons are trained to deal with these, with persons who are on the spectrum, right? And one thing I have come to realize is that awareness is good, but understanding and kindness are even more important. Taking the time to listen, to be patient, and to respect differences can make such a big impact. If you're a parent, a friend, or someone who interacts with a person on the spectrum, just know your love, your patience, and your willingness to learn truly matter. And if you are someone who is on the spectrum watching this, you are seen, you are valued, you are enough exactly as you are. So tonight or this evening, today, whenever you're watching this video, as this meal comes together, I am reminded that just like every recipe is a little different, every person is too. And that's what makes life beautiful. If you have a child who is diagnosed or have tendencies of ASD, it is not something for you to look at with fear or sadness. It's something for you to understand, embrace, and respect. It's a different way of seeing the world, honestly. That difference can be something really beautiful. You may never know. And and as I continue to cook my dinner here, I am thinking about how every ingredient plays its own role, right? Some may be bold, some of my ingredients may be subtle, some may be some may need a little more time to cook. But when everything comes together, it creates something amazing. And people are just like that, especially those on the autism spectrum. There is so much strength in being different, so much beauty in unique minds, unique perspective, and unique ways of expressing love, joy, and creativity. Sometimes the joy may come with challenges, moments that require extra patience, understanding, or support. But those moments also come with growth, resilience, and deep connections. And I truly believe that every child, every person on the spectrum has a light, a purpose, a gift that deserves to shine. So we have to just embrace them as they go along. So instead of focusing on what's different, let's celebrate what's special. Let's create spaces where people feel safe to be themselves, where they are not asked to fit in a box. Be encouraged to be exactly who they are. As this meal comes together, guys, it reminds me that good things take time, care, and love. And the same goes to people. When we lead with patience and compassion, beautiful things grow. To everyone watching who is on this journey with me, whether you are a parent, a caregiver, or someone on the spectrum, you're doing better than you think. Keep going, keep loving, keep believing. And just like this meal that I'm preparing, everything will come together in its own time. Thank you for being here with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy these moments of real life and real talk. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.